Hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different that you haven't yet seen on this channel, but if you happen to follow me on TikTok you'll see that I have made quite a few 6-day style blankets. So the creator for this blanket is someone called Betty McKnit. She's on YouTube, she's on TikTok. I really recommend having a look at her tutorials, but I have made so many of these blankets. This is the first one that I made, which I did at about February time of this year, and I've made a lot since. And I thought it would be a really fun idea just to do a challenge just to see how much I can actually get done in 6 days, because some of the blankets took less than that and I got really excited. This one did take about 5 days because I loved learning how to make the pattern for the first time. But what I'm hoping to do is just see how much I can get done in 6 days, and I'll be documenting the entire process, so you'll see by each day what I have done by the end of that specific day. I have decided to work with this specific colourway. It's Rome Yarn Batik and I absolutely love the colour for this. I've had this yarn for about just over 6 months and I haven't been too sure what I wanted to make with it, but I thought a 6-day style blanket challenge would be quite a fun thing to use this yarn for. This is day 1 of this challenge, so let's see what we can get done in a day of starting the 6-day style blanket. I've been working on this for about 20 or so minutes. I've just gone up a hook size as well because I was starting off with a 4mm, but whenever your blanket curves up a little bit, just on the edges like it is, it just means you have to go up a hook size. So I'm now using a 4.5. I've done most of the basics of the groundwork for this. I did have to do like a little mini refresher just to make sure I was starting out right, because sometimes I haven't been like 100% accurate with it. But I'm pretty good with getting the rest of the repeats from here, so I think I'll be pretty quick from this point, but we'll see. is my first update. I have used a ball of yarn, so an entire one of these, to get to this stage in my 6-day star blanket. It's taken about an hour and a half to get to this stage, so I'm going to crochet a little bit longer and then I think I'm going to be done for part 1. But I'm really happy with the progress so far, and I'm really liking the colours and just how it's working up as I've been crocheting. So let's see what else I can get done before I call it a day for today and for part 1. This is how big I've managed to get my 6-day star blanket at the end of day 1. I've been crocheting for about 2 hours or so, and I'm really happy with how big I've been able to get it so far. I'm going to try and do about the same amount of time that I've done today, approximately 2 or so hours, across the next of the other 5 days. So day 1 is done, and let's see how much we can get done by the end of day 6. If you would like to see more updates on my 6-day star blanket, such as part 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which will hopefully be the final reveal, then if you click the subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified when my next video is up. I'm really excited about this mini series. I've been wanting to do it for absolutely ages, so very happy that I'm finally getting around to it. So yeah, let me know what colours you would make your 6-day star blanket. Do you like colour changing yarn like this? Would you change by each row by your choice? Would you do one in one complete colour because they're very pretty as well? But yeah, let me know what you would do in the comments below. Thank you for watching.